again. First, we take this part off. It will later be his weapon. So, what we do is, put the legs down the bumper, and we, my first review, so we'll probably look a little sloppy, which I'm not normally are. So, now we got this part down, then we down with the feet, and I don't know if you can see this, but then you extend, yes, okay, so you take this part, put it down, no, sorry, I'm a little sloppy today, but then you bend in these wheels, you see here, yeah, then you take this part, and sorry, it's a little, there, and you do the same thing, basically, break this part off, shouldn't have done that, sorry,